You want healthy breasts? Here's 3 exercises you have to do on a daily basis, right? So first, before we go over the exercises, breast health. It doesn't matter if it's men or women, this is specifically great for women. Now, improve breast health. Besides we look at hormone balance, we also want to look at something called your lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is the sewer system of your body. So imagine in a city, like here in Austin, Texas, let's say if the sewer system got all clogged up, then all the sewer would come out onto the streets and we would have filth all over the streets, right? So how does that, that's what happens when the sewer system gets clogged up. So imagine if our sewer system in our body gets clogged up, that's when you start having all these toxins accumulate, tumors, cancer, and blah, 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 and so forth, right? That's what happens when the lymph system, which is our sewer system, gets clogged up. So we have a lot of lymph nodes right here in our armpits around our breast, right? So we want to make sure our lymph system is constantly flowing. So we're going to do 3 exercises. Exercise number 1, okay? You're going to beat your chest, okay? Some people call this tapping. I like to call it beating, right? So you're going to beat your chest. Both chest, okay, because you got 2 breasts, all right? You're going to beat both chests. You're going to do it 50 times, all right? Now, you can use a fist, like I'm doing right now, or you can use a cup, like you're cupping your hand like this, right? And you can cup like this, cupping just all around your breast. This helps circulate the lymph, okay, and the blood circulation, so it prevents any type of lymph blockage. Number 2 exercise. You're going to slap those smelly armpits, all right? Smelly armpits, you're going to slap them 50 times. Smelly armpits, both sides, right? We have a lot of lymph nodes right here in the smelly armpit area. So you can slap them right here, okay? 50 times each 50 times each day, right? And the last one, you're gonna click like a chicken, all right? You're gonna make sure you massage. You're gonna activate all those lymph nodes, all the lymph nodes here by just doing the chicken dance, okay? It's called the chicken dance. You can do the chicken dance for 50 times also, and that will again speed up the circulation to all your limbs, all right? So do these 3 exercises every single day to maintain your breast health and prevention of happening any type of disease, lymph node clogs, and so forth. To do these 3 every single day. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube.
My name is Yvette, and I am from Round Rock, Texas. And I have been seeing Jimmy for acupuncture therapy for my thyroid, for hyperthyroidism and Graves' disease. And in the 6 months that I've been coming here, we have re-kicked my entire body and restarted and have reversed everything, and I feel amazing. And I never want to stop coming. And I would absolutely recommend this office to anybody for anything.
Today we're going to talk about what I posted is, TPO antibodies. For those of y'all who have Hashimoto's, you will understand what that means. And for those of y'all who don't have Hashimoto's, then you probably won't know what that means. So one of the blood tests that doctors will do to test to see if you have Hashimoto's is to test something called your TPO antibodies, and also another test called TG antibodies. And when these 2 numbers are elevated, then most likely you have an autoimmune disease to your thyroid gland, and it's called Hashimoto's. If it's hyper, you would be diagnosed as Graves' disease. And so, did you know that acupuncture in Chinese medicine is actually phenomenal for treating Hashimoto's and Graves' disease and reversing the antibody count? And so I gave you an example today. As we just got some new labs from a Hashimoto's patient that we've been treating for 3 months. And when she first started with our practice, her TPO antibodies was over 900. So the range usually is like 0 to 35. And so her antibodies were through the roof, which means her body was attacking her thyroid gland like crazy. And so after 3 months of treatments through our Hashimoto's protocol, we just got our labs, and her antibodies actually dropped from over 900 to now they're about 360 something, I believe. So more than half in 3 months we dropped her antibodies. So that means her body's attacking her thyroid gland eat less, right? Which is better. So that's the first step of reversing autoimmune diseases. And so, this is something that most people don't realize, that, there's no medication that's going to lower your antibodies, right? And diet is crucial. Supplements, yeah, it's crucial. But we didn't put her on that many supplements. We put her on probably 3 or 4 supplements. So not the standard, like if you were to go to a functional medicine doctor, they'd probably put you on like 20. So we changed her diet. We did acupuncture. We actually did something also that was very effective called the infrared sauna. And did you know that we have an infrared sauna at Achieve Integrative Health? And we also did some Chinese herbs and 3 to 4 supplements. That's it. And not even, she's down to just 1 supplement now. And so you can reverse that antibodies, lower that antibodies with just, changing your diet and infrared sauna, and also incorporating acupuncture and Chinese medicine. We do this on a daily basis. Our protocol has actually been quite effective, close to 100% in lowering the antibody count. And so if you know of anybody who has Hashimoto's and they're taking all the thyroid medication, but they still feel tired, their brain is foggy, they're constipated, they're anxious, they're depressed, mood swings, all the typical, chronic fatigue is the biggest one, insomnia, they're on all the thyroid medication, but they still feel like crap. Well, have them give us a call, 512-260-1710. We could possibly help them. We would need to find out. We would need to examine it to figure that out. But we have had great success, and so AchieveIntegrativeHealth.com. So spread the word. People with Hashimoto's don't have to suffer. Okay. Our goal at Achieve Integrative Health is to help 1 million people make pain and suffering optional. Yes, it's an option, but you got to take that first step. All right, guys. So if you know anybody, share, either message us, have them call us, or message us and we can call them, so we can get the help that they need. All right, guys. Have a great night.